Hey, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Levi.
And we're here to tell you about the Navy SEALs and all their gear.
This is a shotgun.
This is a 1911 pistol, which holds a .45 caliber round.
This is another gun.
It's a sniper rifle, but yeah. These are grenades. Ignore the Purell it says right there.
That's a ski mask.
And those are binoculars for zooming in recon stuff. Yeah. This is Drill Sergeant Dix and her partner, the Hamburglar.
Recording.
Alright, Meg, it's good in for station! I can't hear
Oh, good show! So jolly good show. 5 more to go, lad. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, terrific, guy!
Alright, Maggot 2, leap through that swing! That's where we go! Leap through that swing!
Oh dear, lad, you're stuck.
Use the pelvic thrust!
Come on, lad, you can do it.
Alright, climb up these things! Faster! Go down that
Good
slide!
show.
Like lightning!
Yeah! Whoa!
No, this is celebrating. Done.
Okay, lads, let's do some warm-ups. We have a jog ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Alright, let's do that. Oh, crap. Oh dear. Lad, are you okay?
Alright.
Jog, lad. Jog.
Now this is the weapons training. All you have to do is just shoot at the Hamburglar. From the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Alright, maggots. Even though you guys suck, it's time to get ready for war. Let's hop in my warthog. Woo!
Yeah, let's go.
Okay! Attack! Good work, men!
This is our Navy SEAL story and our career. Let's see. Yeah! Oh wait, I'm.
Okay, lads, let's do some warm-ups. Warm those thighs. We have a run to do.
You gonna run now?
Alright, guys, this is the weapons training. All you have to do is just shoot at. Shoot. Brandon, you gonna get down? Alright, guys. This is the weapons training. All you have to do is aim and shoot at the Hamburglar. On the count of 3. Ready? Oh, 2, 3!
Oh, some safety.
Keep shooting! Until he falls! Until he stops moving!
Head shot.
Alright guys, move it, keep shooting!
Oh, I love your butt. Oh.